My viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another long awaited video from Daddy Nev. Yes guys, it's been a while, but I'm about to make some Irish moss or sea moss in the most delicious way. Irish mash and linseed. And over here I got some cinnamon leaves. Yes guys. So I'm about to let you see.
Gardening greens, cooking scenes, oh we're feeling fine. Planting seeds, whipping up some meals, it's all online. On Daddy Nev we grow and we share. Show some love and spread the flair. Like and share the vibe. Join the journey, come on, take the ride. Cooking and gardening, it's alright.
I'm gonna take out a little bit of this Irish moss or sea moss. It all depends on how much you wanna make. I just take out a little. That can make a whole lot. Then what I'm gonna do is wash these. Guys, gonna take about 3 washes to get rid of the salt and sand that may deposit during harvesting from the ocean. To watch at least 3 times until the water I get clean. I've done 2 washes. Now I got to do the third. Guys, now it's clean. Should be washing warm water. And to make it cook real quick, I'm gonna cut it up a little. Rinse this. Dish out a little. Then I'm gonna cut it up a little. Gonna dissolve out into jelly. Why I'm doing this is to get it to melt away real quick. Yes guys, I put it back in there. Then what I'm gonna do is add me at least a tablespoon of linseed. Cinnamon leaves. For flavoring. I'm gonna wash them first. Yes guys, I'm gonna add it to the boiling water first. The flavor will extract from the leaves. guys, this is what the sea moss looks like now. I think it's all dissolved. Maybe there's a little bit as finished. Smooth. I'm gonna run it through the strainer first. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is to get these into the blender. I'm gonna put it through the strainer again. The color it got from the yes guys, this is a high value food. I'm gonna add some vanilla. A little tip of vanilla. Yes guys, this is, then you use sweetened condensed milk. So sweetened condensed milk. Guys, see how thick it is. Now guys, you can add any flavor you want. You can add a little wine, a little rum. Yes guys, now I'm gonna add a little bit of dark rum to give it that kicking flavor. It's an extra kick to it. Yes guys, this is ready. Now I'm gonna about that. Making 3 servings. Yes guys, this is gonna sit down here to get cool, and when it's cool it will turn into a jelly.
Don't miss out, hit that bell. Bring a friend to the gardening spell. From grottos to spices and smiles on our faces, a community blooming in digital spaces. Join the fun where the harvest shines. Daddy Nev bringing joy to your timelines. Like and share the vibe. Join the journey, come on, take the ride. Cooking and gardening, it's alright here. Daddy Nev, the channel you'll cheer.